हेलो एवरीबॉडी, गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू ऑल। होप यू आर डूइंग गुड। सो मेरी आज की जो रीडिंग है वो ये है कि आपकी लाइफ में क्या चेंजेस आने वाले हैं विद इन नेक्स्ट 3-4 months आफ्टर दिस वाइट मून फुल मून विच हैज़ हैपेंड एट 27 बेसिकली एंड 28th 29th एंड सो ऑन वॉज येस्टरडे। सो उसके बाद आपकी लाइफ में क्या चेंजेस आ सकते हैं, बिकॉज मून एनर्जीज कीप ऑन चेंजिंग एवरी डे। सो इट इज़ लाइक आई लेट यू नो कि लाइक आपकी लाइफ में क्या चेंजेस आ सकते हैं. सो देर आर लाइक टू ऑप्शंस ओवर हियर. Deck 1 is this sexual magic tarot and deck 2 is this white rider tarot deck. So you have to choose any one of them according to your intuition. So you can pause my video and even choose your deck. Okay guys, so I'm starting with my deck 1, those who choose this sexual magic tarot. So let's see what's coming on with you deck 1 and what changes are coming ahead regarding your career and love. First I'll go with your love, then I'll go with your career guys. Angel Spirit, please guide me for deck 1. Please help me for deck 1, Angel Spirit. What is there for my pile 1 in love in coming days after full moon? What are the changes happening with my lovely people of pile 1? Okay, I got here the devil, first card. I feel like someone over here is thinking of you very deeply. ये जो person है आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा deeply think कर रहे हैं इस वक्त. They are like they are badly addicted to you and they can't live without you guys. And मुझे ये भी feeling आ रही है ये आपको stalk कर रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं social media में. So who's coming in love for my pile 1? What is coming there for pile 1 in love? Angel Spirit, please guide me. I don't want so many cards. No. Okay. So there is Knight of Wands. So this person, as I told you, this person is very much passionate about you. Right now, they want to come towards to you very fast. And this person is like getting addicted to you a lot. Maybe you are in a no contact situation. I am getting a vibes of no contact situation over here. For some, this could be a new person for sure. For other, if you are dealing with your past person or a present person, you are in a no contact. So this person can also come towards to you. But there is no X word right now in this pile right now. And there is the world in reverse. So right now I feel like ये जो person है आपके बहुत ज़्यादा slow moment ले रहे हैं. बस ये आपको स्टॉक करे जा रहे हैं सोशल मीडिया में. दे वॉन्ट टू कम टूवर्ड्स टू यू एंड दे आर प्लानिंग समथिंग राइट नाउ इन देयर माइंड. राइट नाउ फॉर यू द टाइम इज़ नॉट राइट टू go to this person, or like you don't need to rush for this person. If you are thinking like this person will be taking very slow move. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 1 in love? What is there for pile 1? Okay, I got another 2 cards here, which is 10 of chalices, which is 10 of cups, and second card I got is the stars. Let me check again another card. Angel Spirit, please guide me with what's going on with pile 1 in love. Okay, there is the Empress. So I feel like this person is new only right now. For you, this person is new. You are in a no contact zone. Definitely there is a Chariot and Knight of Wands. Again, this person is trying to make balance right now between you or whatever the family issues are happening in them, and they want to like offer you a cup, lots of cups. And this person is right now trying to make balance themselves. They are not balanced. Maybe they are stuck. For some, they are stuck in their past person. For others, I am watching like this person is seeing you like a star. You are a world to them. You are like a star to them. And definitely, you are a lady with the abundance. You are growing a lot. So your person's watching you like this right now. They want to make you their empress currently. What I am having a feeling from inside. And 10 of Cups, this person wants to offer you a family. Plus, you are their wish fulfillment. And this is like I am having a feeling like this is a meant to be happen situation, meant to be happen person for you. The person you are dealing with, this is meant to be happen, made for you. It is like universe has sent you this person, and they are making some challenges right now to go with this person. Maybe you guys can have even a tower moment, because there is a knave of chalices, which is again like ace of pentacles. So this person, ace of cups, sorry. So this person wants to offer you a cup. You are like a soulmate to them, and this person also having slowly right now, very very slow, they are having a thinking, like they are thinking that yes, you are their only partner meant for them. Okay, so right now this person is even getting out of their crossroads. So this person was in confusion. So ये चीज़ आपके साथ अगर अभी नहीं हो रही है गाइस, ये पर्सन आपके पास अभी आएंगे, पर अभी ये बैलेंस बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. They somehow, for most of you, this person is stuck on the past energy, and this could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There is a Scorpio energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces a lot. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, and let's see what's coming with you next. More in love. Pile 1. What is there for pile 1? What are their person feeling? Or who's coming to them? Angel, Spirit, please guide me. Emotions. Number 15, channeling. So I told you, so this person is right now thinking a lot. They are channeling a lot from their spirit guides' help, from their ancestors' help, and from their God help. Like they are like trying to meditate a lot and think about you. Plus, like even you need to like channel a lot. Maybe you both are mirroring each other and connecting telepathically. Number 15 is very relevant over here. And you could see number 10, 10 a lot, and 3, 3 number a lot. 10, 10, 3, 3, 31, divine wisdom. So yeah, as I told you, like universe has sent you this person particularly. universe ने आपकी ओर भेजा इस person को जानबूझ के. आपकी ओर अभी जो है ये challenges जानबूझ के आ रहे हैं. थोड़ा आपको patiently act करने को बोला जा रहा है. अगर आप लोग cut off हो चुके हो, so universe is like saying you have to like act little patiently with this person, because this person also started loving you. For some, for others they love you too. Plus they are like divinely, they are also somewhere divinely guided for you. Number 36, recharge. So yes, this person is like getting recharged. They are coming out of their crossroads. ये अपनी confusion से बाहर आ रहे हैं. And let's see what your angel romance have to say. And I'll move to career then. For pile 1, what is there for pile 1 in love after full moon? Okay, make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps is guiding to take. So this person will be definitely will be making an effort for you guys. ये person आपके लिए effort लेके आने वाले हैं बहुत जल्दी. आपके लिए effort बनाएंगे. हो सकता है आपको कुछ call आ जाए, या हो सकता है आपके लिए कुछ लोगों के लिए ये commitment दे दे. Plus आपसे बहुत जल्द ही marriage plan बना ले करने का, because they don't want to wait anymore, because they know that you are the worth, you deserve love. What is there for pile 1 in love? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 1 in love? Okay, I told you guys, there is something which is affecting your love life. For some, this person could be even married. There is a child involvement, and for others, like this person wants children from you if you're not married. And even if you're married, you're gonna have kids with this person soon. And maybe this person can be like spirit animal जो इनका दिख रहा है मुझे, वो horse हो सकता है. Plus they are so much into dogs, so maybe they love dogs a lot. Dogs, so they might have dogs. So this is your new love. I told you, no, this is a new love, guys. And this person wants to flirt with you. They want to grow love with you and extend their lighted heart. So you should give them chance, and like you need to free yourself, guys. You are not able to free yourself, because this is the one guy who is for you, a guy or a girl. I'm sorry, why I'm saying guy, even I don't know. So yeah. So let's move on with your career. And let's check with our new tarot deck, Sexual Magic Tarot. I'm in love with these decks. These are very beautiful decks. Like images are like sexual, but they are like so incredibly beautifully made by Italian tarot reader. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 1 career? Okay, there is the sun, but I got it reverse first card. I'll guide more. Angels, please guide me more. I am feeling like you are struggling somewhere, like you are having a feeling why you are not getting that sun. Your shyness is going out, right? So there is the world card. What is there for pile 1 in career? Angels will please guide me. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo. There is 2 of cups. I got it again reverse. So I'll take another 2 card. I feel like my intuition is saying me to take another 2 card for you. What is there for pile 1 in career? Hair of red. And yeah, so there is end of the deck is 3 of chalices, 3 of cups. I am finding so many blockages right now in your life currently. Like you are not able to see your sunshine in front of you, guys. You are living in a very low phase. You are not able to focus right now in your career. So आप लोग फोकस नहीं कर पा रहे हो अपने करियर को लेकर अभी. आप लोग अपने आप को लो करे जा रहे हो बहुत ज़्यादा. आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ भी वर्क नहीं हो रहा है आपके आगे. एंड कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये फील हो रहा है कि आपकी ब्लॉकेजेस बढ़ती जा रही है. बट देर इज़ नो एंडिंग ऑफ ब्लॉकेजेस बिकॉज you have to start taking whatever is coming in front of you, whatever offer is coming in front of you. So Pisces, yeah, so this is a card like you have to take the offers because whatever is coming towards to you, it will be a very good, and definitely you will going to get your throne and your charm, your pentacles, money, your success soon, because this success would be a permanent, and you will be like, people will be admiring you a lot. It would be a win-win situation for most of you. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोगों का बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है मुझे. You just need to accept whatever is coming in front of you. So there is end of the deck was 3 of cups. So there will be definitely a celebration. You might give party to your friends in coming days. Sorry guys, video got cut off. So what message Spirit Angels wants to give to you? Let's check out that. What messages are there for pile 1? Angels, please guide me. Overall messages for love and career for pile 1. So I got here a personal issues reaches resolution, full moon in Cancer. So maybe you or your person can be in Cancer, full moon rising. Okay guys, check out your birth chart. So you could be in a Cancer moon rising. So definitely your personal issues are reaching in a resolution. So there are chances that whatever you are thinking, like your issues was not sorting out, so definitely it will be sorting out soon. Let's see, another card wanted to come out. So emotions are running high, super moon. So I'm having a feeling like as the full moon has came out before 2 days or yesterday basically, so yeah, most of your person or your emotions have started running high. आपके इमोशंस बहुत रन होने लग पड़े हैं. And definitely there is like, don't let your pride get in your way, don't let the ego come in your way. Full moon in Leo, so there are chances like you could be a Leo in moon rising too, so you or your person could be. So overall the situation is like, whatever the situation is, आपको अपनी ego नहीं लानी है. And देर इज़ लाइक आपके जो भी पर्सनल इश्यूज़ थे वो रिजॉल्व हो जाएंगे. सो दिस वॉज माई रीडिंग फॉर पाइल 2. होप माई रीडिंग रेजोनेटेड विद यू. लेट मी नो ऑन कमेंट बॉक्स. प्लीज़ गाइस स्टार्ट कमेंटिंग. आई डोंट गेट योर कमेंट्स, तो मुझे पता नहीं चलता आप लोगों की लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, स्पेशली जब आप पर्सनल रीडिंग के लिए आते हैं मेरे पास. सो लेट मी नो इवन इन जनरल form like which pile resonated with you. So if it is accurate, let me know on comment box. So now we'll move to our White Rider Tarot pack. Those who choose this second pile, let's see what is there for you in love. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 2 in love? What is coming for them? What is coming for pile 2 in love after full moon? What changes are coming? Okay, there is 7 of Pentacles reverse. This person is losing focus on their work. Okay. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 2 in love? What changes are coming? Justice. So you could be Libra, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or your person can be Queen of Pentacles. What is there for pile 2 in love? What changes are coming ahead? The Fool. Hey guys, so yeah, I got the card as the Fool, the Tower, no contact situation again. I am getting like vibes right now, you guys, mostly over here. You are dealing like with over a new person, and for others, if you are dealing with your present, you are getting so much of tower moments in between. Some of are like having a big fights, big clashes over here. So let's see what is there for pile 2 in love. What is there for pile 2 in love? Two of Pentacles. So much of Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, Libra, Scorpio. I got only one card, so yeah. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So मुझे जो फीलिंग आ रही है देखकर, आपके जो पर्सन है, या आप भी इस एनर्जी में हो सकते हैं डेफिनेटली. You are not able to focus right now in work. You should check even pile 1, I think so, because energies are not different over there, because somehow energies are coming same in both of my decks. So yeah, so there is like this person wants to make justice with you, and they want to give you justice, and definitely they want to like give you even a balanced situation, because right now this person is losing focus on their work. You are in a no contact zone. You had a big fight with this person, a big argument, hell lot of argument. There was some interference between you both which created a fight, a misunderstandings. So there could be even like आगे जाके जो मुझे दिख रहा है आप लोगों का टावर मोमेंट आ सकता है कुछ लोगों के लिए, कुछ लोगों का ऑलरेडी हो चुका है टावर मोमेंट. सो डेफिनेटली right now you are in a no contact zone, so this person is finding a way to contact you, and they want to make a balance from you. This person could be from past, others you are dealing with a new partner for sure. And if you are married right now, आपकी लाइफ में अभी फाइट होने वाली है, बहुत ज़्यादा होएगी. इनफैक्ट इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस चैनल, दिस इज़ अ जनरल रीडिंग गाइज, बट कुछ चीज़ें मैच हो जाती हैं हमसे, सो यू कुड हैव सम फाइट. So be prepared for this. And yeah, so आपकी जो person है ये आपके पास जब आएंगे leap of faith लेके आने वाले हैं, because this person is trying to make a balance right now. They are like feeling fooled, they are feeling lonely without you totally. So this person is juggling a lot within themselves to choose between you or other person, or you or their money. So this person is trying to focus on what to do, because they see you as their Queen of Pentacles, and they also know that you are a very hardworking woman and you make your own pentacles yourself, and you are like a queen, you are a royal. So definitely this person thinks about you a lot, they dream about you a lot, and they love you a lot. This person wants to give you justice, and in coming days this person might confess their love to you, and definitely there is a commitment, and you might get a court marriage done with this person in the coming days or coming future in changes, and this person will be making out balance with you soon. So right now this person is not in a balanced mode totally, so let's see what is there for you more in love. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 2 in love? So this person is remembering you. I'm getting so many hiccups. So what, there will be definitely a transformation, guys. Transformation बहुत जल्द होएगा इन पर. So burnout, number 33. You can see this number a lot, number 33. Or this person can be a 33 years old, or you could be in this age. So this person will be burning out all their bad vibes on you. Maybe they will burn out their anger on you why you did this, because they love you a lot and you both are like separated from each other. So they might take out some burnout over you. आपके ऊपर बहुत गुस्सा निकालने वाले बिना वजह का. So you have to be prepared. And as I told कि आप लोगों के between fight भी हो सकती है कुछ लोगों के between जो married हैं यहाँ पर, and जिनका ऑलरेडी टावर मोमेंट चल रहा है, आगे जाके उनका ठीक हो सकता है. सो नंबर 11, अनसर्टेनिटी. सो यू आर डीलिंग विथ योर ट्विन फ्लेम, गाइस. दिस इज योर ट्विन फ्लेम, and this person will be only giving you justice soon. So this is like uncertainty. So this person will be burning out and they will come towards you very in an uncertain way, and like बहुत all sudden आएंगे ये आपके पास. So hello guys, yeah, sorry. Yeah, you have to forgive this person. Okay, maybe you are wearing lots of blue right now. I am seeing like you are thinking like why this darkness is not ending. So you have to accept when they come towards to you. Okay, so guys, this is a general reading. Please don't make decision like this randomly. So you have to accept whatever is happening with you, and this person is dreaming about you. I told you na, this person is dreaming about you. Number 39, 40, 37, 11 and 33. These are important numbers for you guys. Clairvoyance. So maybe like I am having a vision. आप लोगों के बिटवीन ना ब्लैक मैजिक कर रखा है. कोई चाह नहीं रहा है कि आपके पास ये पर्सन आए या कोई भी हो. लाइक दे डोंट वांट योर लव लाइफ टू बी फुलफिल्ड. Okay, number 21, clairvoyance. So check out the black magic. Who did black magic on you? You can even do your cord cutting by me, or you can go to some priest and get your cord cuts. So let's see what changes are coming for you in love. What is there for you in love, pile 2? Guys, this is general reading, so take what resonate with you. Okay, number passion, allow. So this person is feeling right now very passionate towards you. Right now this person is like, they definitely love you, guys. So allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. So yeah, what is there for pile 2 in love? What coming towards them? Retreat. So this person will retreat with you. So it's time to disconnect from the world. So definitely this person is feeling retreat to come towards you. They will connecting towards you again. Maybe right now you're disconnected from each other. You're retreating from each other. but this person is feeling lots of passion to get you. So what is there for pile 2 in love? What their person wants to say to them. OMG, so many cards have fallen down. I don't want so many cards. Spirit angel, please guide me with one card only. Heavy energies of your person and you. So worth waiting for. So divine timing. So right now you have to wait for your divine timing, guys. I'll just say directly, you need to just surrender to universe, because divine timing is doing work for you both. So yeah, there is the end of the deck is the wedding. So I told you this person will be giving you justice, and they are planning a wedding for you, and separation will be ending soon now. So try to like work hard on yourself and like surrender to the universe whatever is happening with you, pile 2. Now we'll check out your career, pile 2. What is there for pile 2? Angel spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 2? What is there for pile 2? What is there for pile 2 in career? What is coming towards them? Guys, you need to really open up, because I am seeing like your throat chakra is totally blocked for most of you. You need to work on your throat chakra, work with your heart chakra even. So this area is totally blocked, and this area is totally blocked. So you need to work with your heart chakra and throat chakra a lot. So what is there for pile 2 in career? 2 of cups. So you might be getting lots of offer now, and you might be getting some call right now. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You could be even a Leo. The Magician reverse. What is there for pile 2 in career? There is 9 of swords, sorry. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Strength, Leo. What is there for pile 2? What is there for pile 2 in career? What is there for pile 2 in career? What is there for pile 2 in career? The Hermit. Ace of Pentacles. And end of the deck is Wheel of Fortune. I am getting lots of divine timing for you guys. So yeah, आपके पास जो भी आएगा अभी, you will be getting lots of offer, but you will be not ready to take. For some, like someone is doing some definitely a clairvoyance for your career and love. So there is the Magician card over here, which is reverse, and plus you are not able to manifest your thing. You are not able to pray to get your career according to you. So universe is saying you need to like get up and take actions, even because sitting around at home won't work for you. And there is the Hermit card, so I can even say like you don't need to like rest. You just need to meditate and visualize what you want in career. So you're not able to manifest. Most of you are like having blockages because of the clairvoyance over here in your life. So there is 7 of Swords. You may be feeling lots of crossroad around. You may be feeling trapped right now, that things are not happening with you, and आपको बहुत trapped feel कर रहे हो. आप बहुत ज़्यादा आँखें भी आपने बांधी हुई है कि आपके आसपास क्या हो रहा है, because someone don't want your good regarding your career. So this could be a friend even, okay, for some. And there is the strength card. You need to act very strongly and take your step very forward, because the offer is coming up to you very soon. So this offer will be very permanent and very good regarding your career. You not need to take rest. Move ahead, take action, be strong, and go with your intuition, and learn to take step very very strongly, because you have that lion energy in you guys. आप में वो lion energies है, and somehow even you know that you are worth of doing it. So whatever would be coming towards to you, it will be coming on divine timing, and soon the things will be turning around in your way very very faster. So let's see overall energy for your love and career. Spirit angel, please guide me what message you want to give to pile 2. What message you want to give to pile 2. So there is sorry. So there is communication is a key. Your first card. Second is the answer you need is coming. So universe is saying you to be open whatever is happening towards to you, because everything is working according to the universe for you right now. Universe is working for you. So answer is, so definitely there is like communication is the key for you, and answer you need are coming for you. So definitely it's time to release negativity. So get your cord cut, guys, and whoever did a black magic on you, so you need to like cut out that thing yourself, and you know you are worth it, and you have that thing in you to make anything possible. So definitely like whatever is like confusion is there with your person is definitely coming around to you within answers. So this person will be communicating to you, or you might be communicating towards them, and it's time to release negativity. And end of the deck I have got a win-win forecast. Definitely there will be a win-win forecast, guys. You will get your Ace of Pentacles soon, that balance soon within you and with your person, even within divine timing. So this was my pile 2 reading. Hope my reading resonated with you. Let me know on comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit bell button over here if you haven't. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.